Hey, what's up? This is Stylo, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 8, 10 and 11 by making USB pen drive bootable. If you want to making USB pen drive bootable, please check out my previous videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you found my videos helpful. So let's get started. Before installing, you have to shut down your laptop or PC, then plug in the pen drive. Press the power button, then repeatedly tap F12 during startup. Then this type of windows will be arrived. Simply scroll down and select a USB device, then press the enter button. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, this type of Windows will be arrived Windows setup. We are installing Windows 8. Then you have to choose your language, time and keyboard format. Then click on the next button. Our setup is starting. In the next process, you have to edit product key, which will be on the back of your Windows, or you can download from Google. Just search the Google and product key for any Windows, which can be Windows 8, 10 and 11. Also, I drop product key of Windows 8.1 and description, please check out. After edit product key, simply select the next button, and the next I accept the license terms. Click on the next button and proceed on. Here is the main point in installing of Windows. Now what you have to do, you have to select the pre-installed Windows disk, then format the pre-installed disk and simply click on the next button. As you watching guys, our Windows 8.1 successfully installed. Let's do some important settings. So finally Windows 8.1 has been installed and you know how to install any window. If you like this video, please like it and share this video with your friends. And if you have any queries or question, put them on comments. I will be explaining that. Thank you.